यो व्हाट्स अप गाइस। तुम लोग ऐसा सोचते रहे कि मैं ये बीच अंधेरे में क्या कर रहा हूँ, बट दिस इज़ वेर आई हैड एन आइडिया टू टॉक समथिंग अबाउट, आई हैड अ टॉपिक टू टॉक समथिंग अबाउट, सो आई वाज लाइक लेट्स रिमूव द कैमरा। बहुत टाइम हुआ है, बहुत टाइम से अपन ने मोटो ब्लॉगिंग नहीं किया है, सो देयर इज समथिंग ब्यूटीफुल आई नीड टू शेयर विद यू गाइस। सो लेट्स गो, आगे आगे रोशनी आ जाएगा। आई एम समवेयर अराउंड ओवर हियर। ऐसे ही बीच रास्ते में चलते चलते सोचा आई विल शेयर समथिंग विद यू गाइस। सो या लेट्स गो। I hope my voice comes out really good, cause I'm not going to put my windshield, because I'm already wearing a glasses, as you guys might have seen in the first footage. I had a thought that came into my mind that I apply on a daily basis, is something called as emotional detachment. And many of you guys might disagree with me on most of the things in this whole video. That's not a problem, cause what I feel, everybody has their own way of achieving things in life and handling life or walking through life. My way is emotional detachment. The reason why I want to talk about emotional detachment is because I feel that emotional detachment is a thing that could help anyone to achieve things in a much easier and a much efficient way. I mean, it's not that easy, because you can't get emotionally detached from anything that you love. So for example, I'll give you, okay, say that you are at a peak of your career and you get an opportunity from huge company, okay, huge company like Google, Microsoft. You get an opportunity from such company, but you get emotionally attached to the people whom you've been working at the current company, and these guys, these Google, Microsoft are ready to pay you like 2x 3x of your current salary, but due to some emotional attachments with the colleague, with the comfort level you get, मतलब जब तुम जो काम कर रहे हो, the work you're doing, the workplace you're working at, you get comfortable, right? That is also kind of an emotional attachment. So due to that, you think twice before accepting those offers. You think at that point, what I feel is that you shouldn't think at such time, thinking about like the people, the colleagues, what would happen to them. Would you miss you would miss something when you go out of their life. Such scenarios are called as emotional attachments. The decisions you take are indirectly derived from feelings, emotions. I mean, that should be not done by many of the people. Okay, when you have to get something, you need to emotionally detach yourself from everything, guys. At some place emotional attachment is fine, like your parents, your wife, your girlfriend, your sister, your brother. That's where emotional attachment is fine at an extent, okay. But when it comes to your career or where you have to become something, I feel emotional detachment is the best thing. If you are emotionally attached, things get a bit difficult to get achieved. When it comes to emotional attachment, it is not only with the humans. This attachment could be with some kind of an object or a project you are working on, okay. And I feel that you should detach, and I have realized this. Whenever I talk to people, they say, अरे यार ऐसा कैसे कर सकते हैं, मतलब तुमको कुछ feelings नहीं है क्या? Many of a time, what happens is like people think people who are emotionally detached are cold-hearted, but I feel it's true. It's not 100% true. Where you need to get emotionally attached, if you be emotionally attached, then it's fine. अभी बहुत ज़्यादा emotional कर रहा हूँ. See, you need to keep on doing your thing, okay. In your 20s, okay, just focus on learning. Earning अपने आप हो जाएगा, bro. After like 30, when you cross 30, when you cross 35, you will start earning the salary which you always dreamt on in a proper, stable way and in a better manner, or maybe more than what you expected to be at your 35. Because 20s are where you learn, okay. And also that if you are working in like if you are working for like 5 years, make sure that those 5 years you are not working on the same thing. Every year or every second year, make sure that your experiences are a bit different, so that in 5 years you might have various number of experiences. अगर तुम एक ही काम as a front end developer हो, समझो, ठीक है, सबसे basic example, you are a front end developer and for the 5 years you are working on the same tech, HTML, CSS, but in market there are multiple various new tech stack, okay. और अगर तुमने उसको एक्सपीरियंस ही नहीं किया तो तुम्हारा वैल्यू वुड गेट डिग्रेडेड. सो ऑलवेज फोकस ऑन चेंजिंग योर रूट्स वेर एवर नीडेड. डोंट गेट अटैच टू अ पाथ. मैं साला एक अटैच हो गया हूँ, ये साला मुंबई से नवी मुंबई. एवरी ईयर 3 years आई एम ट्रैवलिंग फ्रॉम द सेम रूट, और इतना कंफर्टेबल हो गया भाई. नाउ आई नीड टू सी सम न्यू रूट्स. बट think about it, emotional detachment. Think about the benefits you get from detaching yourself from him. I feel also that अरे भाई. Also, one thing is that most of the people who pass out from colleges, okay, they only focus on one thing, that is salary, पैसा. Bro, nobody thinks about learning, okay? Nobody, मतलब बहुत rare लोग रहते हैं जो सोचते हैं कि मैं यहाँ पे आके मुझे क्या सीखने मिलेगा. I was also one of those people. When I thought that as I drop out of college, I'll start with my own business, I'll have my own venture. But the reality is really different. कुछ लोग कर लेते हैं यार, वो रेयर के सिनारियो होता है. It is like 0.0001%. But the best thing I feel when you pass out of a college or when you are in your 20s is something that you could take as experiences, bro. Take experiences of everything. Take experiences of life. Take experiences of failure. Take experiences of success. Take experiences of making mistakes and learning from those mistakes. Cause these are all the things that would help you grow eventually. Not just focusing on the money. Cause all things, if you add up, would help you make good amount of money. 30s के बाद सोचो, ठीक है, अभी तुम्हारा पता है, तुम्हारा घर परिवार है, अभी तुमको पैसा कमाना है. But trust me, these all skills would help you make more money in a more efficient manner rather than just being on a greedy mindset. मुझे पैसा चाहिए, पैसा चाहिए, पैसा चाहिए. Because this is everybody's story and nowadays there is no one who talks about. अरे भाई, मतलब आज कोई तो उठना ही लगता है. हाँ, this is where everybody thinks about. There is no one who thinks about innovation nowadays and thinks about work-life balance. Bro, see, work-life balance होना अच्छी बात है, एक एक्सटेंट अलग, एंड वर्क-लाइफ बैलेंस होना चाहिए. इट इज़ अ रियली इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग. बिकॉज आई फील वर्क ही हर चीज़ नहीं रहता. इवन दो यू ओन अ बिजनेस और यू वर्क इन अ कॉर्पोरेट, आई फील दैट हैविंग अ वर्क-लाइफ बैलेंस इज रियली अ ग्रेट थिंग एंड ऑल दिस थिंग्स विल इवेंचुअली हेल्प यू मेक अ बेटर हेल्थियर लाइफ. सी, अनलेस अंटिल तुम्हारा बॉडी नहीं है तो तुम काम ही नहीं कर पाओगे. यू नीड योर सोल एंड योर बॉडी इंटैक्ट टू ईच अदर, और एल्स उसका कुछ मतलब ही नहीं होगा. सो फोकस ऑन योर हेल्थ एज वेल. इट्स वन ऑफ द इम्पॉर्टेंट एस्पेक्ट्स. And this emotional detachment is a really difficult thing. I feel every other youngsters should start practicing this thing. So if you want to become something different, you need to, because all those big people who are something in their life, they emotionally detach themselves from most of the things and they just kept on trying. Okay, they just kept on trying even though what people said, these people includes their family. So they need to emotionally detach and stop listening and just keep on doing things, because it's not easy. It's not an easy path, but it is a really effective path to reach somewhere. I mean, बहुत दिन के बाद मैं ये motor vlog कर रहा हूँ. I had a plan to motor vlog, but I didn't leave early because मैंने अभी कल परसों में वो देखा भाई, बादल देखा ऊपर से. Dude, it was like so orangey and bluish और blackish. सबका टिंट था भाई उसमें and it was looking so nice. I felt like I should leave early today, but yeah, lucky नसीब नहीं है मेरा. तो वर्क लाइफ बैलेंस वैसे भी बकवास ही है. बिकॉज मैं पहुंचता ही ऑफिस इतना लेट, तो मुझे घर पहुंचने के लिए आधा से ज़्यादा टाइम लगता है. बट या पकेट, हू केयर्स ब्रो, तुम मत ठोकना. अभी ठोक देगा ये. So today, I don't know, surprisingly there is a lot of traffic in Mumbai. I mean, surprisingly, knowingly I know that there is a lot of traffic in Mumbai, which is my daily routine. Burma. What the fuck is this Burma? Burra सुना है, but Burma क्या होता है? This is something new that has been opened. Okay, this is a restaurant and tea room. तो यहाँ पे चाय मिलता है. जो चाय के लिए इतना बड़ा टपरी कौन खोलता है? Oh, I guess that Burma means something in some kind of a language. ब्रो, ये ट्रक के वजह से ना मेरे को जाने मिलेगा ना ये ट्रक जाएगा यार. अरे बाप रे. रुका भाई, किधर बुला रहा है? रुका उसको, एक सेकंड रुका. तू रुक, तो जाने दे. मैं बुरमा भाई, सबको राइट पे जाने का भाई, लेफ्ट पे कौन जाएगा फिर? लेट द बॉय गो डू, लेट द बॉय गो. लेट्स प्ले खतरों के खिलाड़ी. लेट्स गो. फाइनली ऑफ रोडिंग का कुछ कमाल. Oh boy. Anyways, it's Navratri, so happy Navratri to everyone. I hope everyone is playing Garba. Actually, this is Navratri is Tomorrowland for Gujaratis. Every event is a Tomorrowland for them. Every event is a sunburn event. Their legend is Falguni Patak. I mean, that event is an actual truly a Tomorrowland event for Gujaratis, bro. भाई फाल्गुनी पाठक भाई साहब, तुम सोच रहे हो वो सिर्फ महीने में 9 दिन काम करती है भाई। सोचो, मतलब करती रहोगी आजू बाजू में भी, बट 9 दिन उसका मेन काम होता है। और 9 दिन में वो इतना कमाती है भाई कि हम 9 साल में ना कमा पाए। क्या बोले भाई, 9 जन्म भी लग जाए। शी माइट बी टेकिंग मनीज इन करोड़ रूट इन नॉट हाईवे। मेरे को तो गारंटी लगता है उसका 10 तो कम बोल रहा, 50 करोड़ का तो गाला भरता रहेगा भाई। आई होप तुम लोग का भी लाइफ फाल्गुनी पाठक जैसा हो, साल में ऐसे 9 बार काम करो, बट ऐसा काम करो कि ना पैसे कमाओ भाई, कि ज़िंदगी भर काम करने का ज़रूरत नहीं है। ब्रो आए बहुत रिच होगी ब्रो। मेरे को देखो भाई, गरीब इंसान
ये सब दोगलापन।
ट्रैफिक में फंसा आ जा रहा हूँ मैं घर पे। ओए होए होए यार, मेरे को ना विजडम टूथ आया यार, इसके लिए तुम लोग के साथ 2 वर्ड्स ऑफ विजडम में बात कर रहा था। मेरा लेफ्ट साइड से जो सूजा पड़ा हुआ है यार, और ऐसा पेन दे रहा है ना कब से। पेन इज लाइक वेरिएबल पेन, बट स्टिल दैट कांस्टेंट पेन, कांस्टेंट पेन है भाई। एक अच्छा है, अभी बारिश नहीं है ना, अभी बाइक कहीं पे भी लेके जा सकता। अभी मैंने मेरा मस्त एकदम चेन स्प्रॉकेट वॉकेट चेंज किया, टेंशन फ्री भाई, टेंशन फ्री में लेके जाऊंगा मेरा बाइक कहीं पे भी। बाय कर रहा था ना। Anyways guys, I am about to reach home, so I thought I said hi. I started the vlog in this frame, so I was like, I'll say bye in this frame, so you guys can see that I am wearing these glasses I bought from Decathlon, and trust me, those gets fogged up really soon. So what is the technique I use is I do this way. See, you guys can't see my eyes. So I'll stop doing this nonsense, and bye guys, see you, and please like, share and subscribe on this video. What do you think are your thoughts? Bye. Keep growing, keep glowing, and see you until next time. Like, share and subscribe guys, and do comment. Bye.